Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Hari Krishna. I am trying to explain the physics concepts. Today in this session we will discuss about what is the universal law of gravitation and what is the statement given by this universal law of gravitation. So let us move on to the concept universal law of gravitation. So actually this universal law of gravitation is explains about the how much force acting between any two objects which are separated some distance. Just imagine that if you take two objects, if you consider this is the first body and the second body, and these two are separated by some distance d. Now, this first body is having a mass is m1 and the second body is having a mass is m2. Now, always this first body is trying to pull the body m2 towards it, as well as this m2 is also trying to pull the first body towards it. Now, this first body is applying some force on the second body, thus I am taking as F1 to here. And this second body is also trying to apply some force on the first body, and that force I am taking here it is F21. Now, in this case, we know as per NLM 3. NLM is Newton's laws of motion. Third law, action reaction pair. In this case, from this we can write as F12 is equals to F21. Nothing but the force acting by the first body and second body is equal to the force acting by the second body and first body. Nothing but the force existing between these two objects is equal. Now, what is the magnitude of this force? How can we calculate the magnitude of the force existing between these two objects? To know that force, we have to read the statement of this universal law of gravitation. Right? What the statement is given by this universal law of gravitation? Statement. This universal law of gravitation is given. The statement is the force acting between any two objects which are separated by a distance d is directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Now, how can we write the statement? The force between any two objects which are separated by a distance d is directly proportional to product of their masses. Product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Square of the distance between them. So, this is the statement given by this universal law of gravitation. So, as from the statement, we should remember two conditions. One is the force existing between these two objects is directly proportional to the product of these masses, and that force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Now, this statement, how can we express in a equation way or mathematical way? Now, just see from statement, and then from first condition, how can we write a force existing between these two objects is directly proportional to the product of their masses. Here, mass of the first body is m1 and mass of the second body is m2. and their product is M1 into M2. So the force existing between these two is directly proportional to the product of their forces. So this I am taking as a first condition. And coming to the second one, and the same force is existing between these two objects is also depending upon the distance between them. And the relation between the distance and force, that is F, is inversely proportional to the square of the distance, means d square. So this is the second condition we will get from these 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. How can I write? F is proportional to M1 M2 by d square. Now I want to remove this proportionality to find out the magnitude of force existing between the two objects. For that, you need a formula. So from this relation, how can we write the formula? Here I want to remove this proportionality. To remove the proportionality, substitute a constant. Substitute a constant. Here I am taking the gravitational constant capital Z. I am taking here. Nothing but proportionality is removed, and in the place you can substitute as a G. Then you can write as F is equals to capital Z into M1 M2 by d square. So this is the formula which we can use to find out the magnitude of force existing between any two objects in the universe. Whenever you want to find out the magnitude of force, then you can use this formula. So here from this formula, you know that is the force, and this G is the gravitational constant. Gravitational constant. Now, the remaining M1 is the mass of first body, and M2 is the mass of second body, and D is the distance between the two objects. Here, M1, M2, and D. These three factors will be depending upon the problem which we will get. Nothing but masses and the distance we can mention. And what is the value of this gravitational constant Z? That is equals to 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square kg power minus 2. So this value you should remember while you calculating the force existing between any two objects. So here you should remember that these two are very important. What is the relation between the force and their masses, and what is the relation between the force and their distance? Here, from this formula, we can understand that when the distance is increases, a force is decreases. So the relation is the square of the distance, right? Suppose if the distance is doubled, the force is decreased by 1/4 times. If distance is half, the force is increases by 4 times. So this is the universal law of gravitation. And if you like my explanation, please like and share. If you want to watch more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.